Trading became very easy after I mastered these candlestick patterns. And these patterns are bullish engulfing, morning star, bearish engulfing, and evening star. So this candlestick, after I mastered them, trading became very, very easy. This is something most of you don't know. Let's go to the chart. Let me show you guys what I'm trying to say. So right now, guys, most of you don't understand it. Yes, you trade a support and resistance, you trade a break and retest. But when a break and retest happen, what would you do? Would you start looking to buy immediately, or would you start looking to sell immediately? You understand? That is when the use of these candlesticks comes in, all right? So right now, whenever you have a break and a retest, let's say, whenever you have a break and a retest just like this. So right now, what would you be looking for as a trader? The first thing I'll be looking for is my candlestick confirmation, all right? And that is why I focus on these 4 candlestick confirmation. The bullish engulfing is the vice versa of the bearish engulfing. The morning star is the vice versa of the evening star, you understand? So all these things works together, you feel me? So guys, when I have a break and retest and I'm looking to buy, I will be looking for bullish engulfing and morning star. And when I have a selling opportunity and I want to sell, I'll be looking for bearish engulfing and evening star. And that is how trading became very, very, very easy for me and my students, all right? So as you can see, we made money trading live today as at the time of recording this video. Okay, so guys, today is Friday, which happens $1,000 up, which is you're making $1,000. Boinga Joseph, okay, $138. Sabello, thank you. Me and my students, we made money trading live today, as you can see the video there. And look at this screenshot here. All right, so guys, we made money trading break and retest and this candlestick confirmation. So right now, let me show you guys the break and retest example and what I mean. So right now, as you guys can see here now, this is a resistance zone. All right, let me enlarge that real quick so that you guys can see. This is a resistance zone right now, and as you can see this resistance zone now, guys, what do we have here? We have a bearish engulfing around that level. Okay, let's say this is an evening star. All right, so let me okay, now as you guys can see here, this is an evening star. All right, let me change that color real quick. Okay, just like this. As you guys can see here, guys, this is an evening star. We first of all have the long blue candle, the short blue candle, and the long green candle. That is the morning star. That's an evening star, guys. That is an example of a selling opportunity, and that is how we modeled Nasdaq all the way to this level. As you guys can see it there, boom to the downside before having this retracement. Let me show you guys another example. So right now, guys, take a look at this level right now. What do we have here? We have the morning star. All right, the first one was the evening star. This second one is a morning star, was a morning star. So right now, this is the morning star here right now. First of all, we have this candlestick here. We have this drop of this candlestick here, which is a long black candle. That black candle now represent red candle. All right, then we have a short green candle. So guys, then we have a long blue candle. So this blue candle now represents the green candle, right, in the forex market. All right, so it represents it, and you guys can see here, this is a buying opportunity, just like that. Do you understand? This is a buying opportunity. You can buy from here. No, that is a selling opportunity. Let's say we look to long from here. This is a long opportunity, stop loss below, and you expect your the market to goes down to your take profit. All right, so right now, guys, whenever you have a break and retest, you don't just look to start buying immediately or look to start selling. There are candlesticks confirmation you wait for, and these are the candlesticks confirmation. All right, now as you can see, guys, this is an evening star, and as you guys can see, boom, all the way to the downside, just like this. You feel me? So right now, let's look for example of a bullish engulfing. As you guys can see here, this is a bullish engulfing right now. We have the short black candle and a long blue candle, which is this black candle here represent the bearish red candle. This black candle here represent the bullish green candle, right? So guys, this is a bullish engulfing, example of a bullish engulfing there. And as you guys can see here, this is also an example of a bullish engulfing, just like this. All right, so guys, if you don't know what bullish engulfing is and you don't know how it works, I'm going to explain it in this video. It's very, very simple. So right now, a bullish engulfing is a confirmation, is a candlestick confirmation for you to look for a buying opportunity. And a bearish engulfing is a candlestick signal telling you that you should be looking to sell. Vice versa too. Morning star is a candlestick confirmation telling you to look to buy. Then an evening star is a candlestick confirmation. It's a signal telling you to look to that you should look to sell to. All right, and this is the 1 hour time frame. So right now, since we don't trade on the 1 hour time frame, we will be going down to our 5-minute time frame to look for these candlestick confirmations. All right, to look for this candlestick confirmation. So guys, we took a trade today. The trade we took, guys, we made money, a lot of money today from Nasdaq, from this job. So now what happened and what do we see? What did we see from here? As you guys can see here now, we have a support zone here. You understand? So the support zone, the market break, pull back to read. There's no confirmation. We didn't enter, right? But when the market gave us a confirmation, a bearish engulfing, we sold from this level. Stop loss was here. This is a bearish engulfing. Look at that. Look at this green candle right now. Look at this blue candle right now. And look at this drop here. That is a bearish engulfing, and boom, we look to sell just like this. You understand? We look to sell from that level, and a lot of people made profit. The screenshot I showed you guys there, you all can see that a lot of people make profit from trading these signals. All right. So guys, this is the best trading strategy you should be using, a breakout retest, and this is the best candlestick you should use in confirming your entries. You don't just enter trade just like that blindly. All right. Immediately you have a breakout retest. You don't just boom and start going in. All right, you will need to wait for a candlestick confirmation, and that is one thing with our trading strategy. So guys, one of my mission in this trading industry is to make anyone that comes across me a profitable trader. All right, anyone interested in learning how to trade forex, I just want to make you all a profitable trader as long as you come across me. That is one of my mission here. That is one of my goal on YouTube here, and that is one of my goal too as I am trading. All right, the most difficult thing is that some people don't have money to pay for mentorship. So right now, I decided to start a 1-month mentorship. So this 1-month mentorship will be starting on the 1st of September and on the 30th of September. All right. And the mentorship fee goes for $21. All right, it's just $21, guys. Our normal mentorship is far beyond this. We have a 3-month mentorship, we have the 6-month, and we have the 12-month. All right, the good thing about this mentorship is that you will be making money as you are learning, which is what we do. So if you want to join the 1-month mentorship, you can also get your account ready, because we'll be making money while you guys are learning. All registration can start coming in from today. Yeah, because there's no time. All registration can start coming in today because of what there is no time. All right. So now all you have to do, guys, is to click on the link in the description box and send me a direct message on Telegram. Send me a direct message on Telegram, guys, if you want to participate in this 1-month mentorship. Guys, if you want to join our normal mentorship, then you click on the link in the description box to join. And if you want to join our premium signal, which is the profit town, as you can see, as the name implies, right? Profit. Everything we are doing there is profit. All right. So right now, guys, if you want to join the profit time premium signal, then you can send me a direct message on Telegram so that you can join. And if you like this video, guys, I want you to comment, like, subscribe, and turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop new video. Peace.